Are you struggling to manage your coaching business effectively? Meet Paperbell, the ultimate platform for coaches. It automates your entire customer journey, saving you time and effort. With Paperbell, you gain personalized customer experiences, all with powerful automations. You'll love how easy it is to set up with ActiveCampaign. Automations create streamlined processes, allowing you to focus on your clients instead of manual tasks. Plus, our competitive pricing means you get enterprise-level functionality without breaking the bank. Ready to supercharge your growth? Start your free 14-day trial with Paperbell and ActiveCampaign today. It's time to take your coaching business to the next level.